Hello my dear students, I am Miss Rinkal Rajput, your maths educator, and today I am going to teach you chapter number 1 of your maths textbook. Before starting our chapter, I would like to tell you that there are total 14 chapters in your maths textbook. It means you have to read only 14 chapters in 4th class. Actually, I have one question. Can you tell me what do we use to build a house? Yes, we need brick, sand, wood, cement, etc. And this chapter is all about brick. And the name of chapter is building with bricks. Some students will think that building with bricks means building made of bricks. But no, that is not true. Building with bricks means making with bricks. You can see in this video. Making with bricks. It can be bridge, wall, school, hotel, etc. Let's see gist of the lesson. First is what is brick. This chapter is all about brick, so it is necessary to know what is brick. Second is faces of brick. Third is brick pattern for JAGRITI school. About JAGRITI school is given in your first page, so that we will see in this topic. Fourth is how to draw a brick. Fifth, looking through a brick jali. In this point, we will see what is meaning of jali. 6. A special arc. In this topic, we will see what is meaning of arc and what does mean of a special arc. Last, mental math. Bhajan buys brick. In your last page of this chapter, you have some mental maths problem. And in this problem, a person whose name Bhajan buys some brick at different prices. So that we will solve in this point. Let's start first. What is brick? Here you have first definition of brick. A brick is man-made building material. It means it is a man-made thing. It's not a natural thing. It's made by human. Like I, like you, we are human, right? So it's made by human. I don't mean that I made it, but yes, it is man-made building material used to make walls. Here you can see the picture of walls and other construction. Construction means bridge, wall, temple, school, etc. Now second definition of brick, that is, it is a hard block of baked clay. It means it is made with baked clay that is used for building houses, etc. Remember, building means making. Now next, second, faces of brick. It has flat surface. Here you can see the picture of all the faces of brick in different angles. And also you can see here it is a brick and it has flat surface. So first is shape of different faces of brick. So you can see here it has rectangle shape. All the faces of brick has rectangle shape. See, it is also rectangle, it is in also rectangle shape. So here I write rectangle. Now next question is smallest face of brick and longest face of brick. So it is a smallest face of brick and this is a longest face of brick. So you can see in picture also. Here it is a smallest face of brick and here it is longest face. Apart from faces, we have vertices and edges also. Vertices we can say also corners. So I write here vertices means corners when two lines meet each other. That is called corner. And edges means lines. Edges means lines. So let's count how many faces, how many corners and how many edges are there in a brick. So here it is a brick. First, it is a first face in front of you, second in front of me, third, right side, fourth, fifth and sixth. So there are total 6 faces in a brick. See, 6 faces. Let's count vertices. Vertices means corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are total 8 vertices. See, 8 vertices. Let's count edges. It means lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are total 12 edges. Next, brick pattern for JAGRITI school. Just like you all study in Gajera school, in this chapter we will talk about JAGRITI school, and this is a true story of Murshidabad. It means JAGRITI school is in Murshidabad and Murshidabad is in West Bengal. So this is a true story of West Bengal. Plan to make brick pattern on the floor and walls. When this school was being built, people thought that in this school we will make some beautiful patterns with the help of brick. So that's they appoint 3 masons, Jamal, Kalu and PR. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the masons for the brick work, and they wanted to know new ideas for brick pattern. So that's why they went to see old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Murshid Quli Khan was a king, and in that tomb there are 2000 beautiful brick pattern, and it's made about 300 years ago. So here you can see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Next, how to draw a brick. See, here you have a picture of brick and also a second picture of brick. But what is difference between this in these two picture? In one picture we have only one face of brick, and in another we have 3 faces. Can you tell me in which photo we have only one face and in which photo we have 3 faces? Yes, in first photo we have only one face, and that's why you can see it is a 2D picture. And in second picture we have 3 faces. See, it is a first face, it is a second, and it's 3. So there are total 3 faces in this brick, and that's why we can say it is a 3D picture. Next, looking through a brick jali. The masons who built JAGRITI school had also made different jali pattern on the wall. But first question is, what is meaning of jali? Jali means that we can see from one side to other. For example, you are standing that side of wall, and also you can see this side of wall with the help of this jali. This is a jali. And also here you have different jali pattern. See, it is a different and it is a different pattern. Next, a special arc. But what is arc? Arc, a structure with a curved top. See, it is a curved top that is supported by straight side. It is a straight side. So that is called arc. A structure with a curved top that is supported by straight line, that is called arc. But what does mean of special arc? Here arc with a well, it's called special arc. For example, here you can see it is a arc. But what is difference between these two arc? This arc has different pattern. See, it has different pattern, and we can say it has a veil, and it has also a special name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. Next, mental math, Bhajan buys bricks. So let's solve this question. In this problem, a person whose name Bhajan buys some bricks at different prices. Here you have 3 prices of first is old brick. So we have 1200 rupees for 1000 brick. Remember that here we the price for 1000 brick. New brick from Itapur, so that is 1800. New brick from Brikabad, so price is 2000 rupees. Now let's solve this question. What is question? Bhajan decide to buy the new brick from Brikabad. So first you have to know what is price in Brikabad. So I write here solution. So first I write 1000 brick from Brikabad. What is the price of that? 2000 rupees. So that's why I write here 2000 rupees. And Bhajan bought 3000 brick from Brikabad. So I write here Bhajan bought 3000 brick. So first I write here 1000 for 1000 brick. Price is rupees 2000 and we have to find out for 3000 brick. So how to solve this question? You can multiply 3000 with 2000. So I write here 3000 multiply 2000 and then divide with 1000. So when we solve this 3030 are cut. Now what we have? 3000 into 2. So that is 6000. So answer is, how much Bhajan pay? So Bhajan pay rupees 6000 for 3000 brick from Brikabad. So this is our answer. Now I am giving you some practice work, because you know without practice work it is difficult to learn maths. First question is, how much Bhajan will pay if he buys 500 old bricks? This question is same as the last question, so you can solve it easily. Now next question for you, draw any object with showing its 3 faces, but except brick. Without brick you can draw any other object with showing its 3 faces. Last question is, how many faces are there in a brick? That is very easy. So you have to do in your homework for your practice work. Now here our chapter is complete. I hope you understand. But if you have any queries, so you can ask me in during online class. We will meet in next chapter. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.